here. Excited you're with me here on the Morning Coach YouTube channel. I hope you're doing fantastic today. I have an unboxing today. I'm excited, and we're going to talk a little bit about the process of this unboxing and what this is in here. So let's get this Amazon thing out of here and have a discussion. Okay, I haven't seen this yet. All right. Wow, this is pretty cool. Came in a nice, it's called Leather Village. I'll pull this out of there. Paid just over $20-some for it. This is a 10-inch version. This is a leather journal. So I take this out. Let's take this out of the wrapper here. Okay, so let me look at this thing. Okay, it's a leather journal. Kind of see the way it looks. Okay, then it's got a latch. Okay, that's kind of cool, kind of medieval. That pulls open. Look at these pages. This is all handmade, by the way. And look at this. This is the person that made it. Amin made this brand. Thank you for Leather Village for producing this. This is pretty cool. Again, I'll put a link down below. They have various sizes of these journals. So, oh wow, this is like linen paper. This is really cool. Like, I am super impressed with this. This is great. So let's talk a little bit about journaling, and I'll talk a little bit about why that I'm using this journal for what I'm doing. So I have been a journaler for a long time. In fact, I started in high school in my 54 years, so that's probably what, 30-some years, right? And I love writing by hand. So if you write by hand, you write with your heart. If you type with your head. And so it's kind of a different feel. And I've always liked a good pen. I'm a big Mont Blanc guy, so I got a Mont Blanc over here. And I like just good paper and good pen. I'm really impressed with this. Like, this is a real leather. This is a real leather journal. And this paper is so awesome. It's linen paper. And so I'm getting ready to do some pretty significant life changes. On my hand here, you can see I have 2055 and temporary ink. I use temporary ink once in a while when I write goals, because I want to run a 2055 5K 4th of July. If you've watched my channel, I think I ran a 21-something 2 years ago, won my age bracket, and I actually put a GoPro on, and I'll probably do that again. It was kind of cool here at the channel. And so I'm starting to do some specific things that I'm looking to do and accomplish in my life, some changes. One of those is starting to get back up here on YouTube. I ordered a new DJI camera that I can take with me, a Pocket Pro 3, so I can start doing more videos. But I like to document things. And again, I was using my Remarkable for that for a while, my Remarkable 2, and I was using it as typing my journal, but I wanted something different for this next step of what I'm doing. And this really is cool. I mean, this is really awesome, the texture of it. Again, I'll put my price up here that I paid. I think I had $10 off. It was just over $20-some, but for a handmade leather journal, I'm excited. Like, I'm excited. So let's talk about journaling in general. So typically what I do is I put the date and the time, and then what I'll do is I'll write some significant thing that happened, so that when I go back and read the journal, I can look and go, okay, I remember that time, and it takes me right back to that time. And if you understand kind of the psychology of time, when I did my PhD, I did the study of being, why we're here. And when I was studying that, it was really about understanding the relativity of time. The cool thing about the journal is it can, when you look at our consistency area in our journal, in our planner, and how I teach that is, you'll see I have a place for journaling, or you can write down every day your journal that you've done it so many days in a row. But I don't like journaling to be something you have to do. Like, journaling should be something you feel that you should do. The reason being is, when you grab your journal, you feel like you're doing it. And if you haven't done it for a while, this is the key. It'll really mess with your psychological time, because all time's relative. It'll be like, wow, I didn't journal for 7 days. What happened in those 7 days? You'll find that a lot of things you don't remember. A lot of things, you just flew through it. Some people go years at a time. I have a couple years where I didn't journal. I don't even remember. Now, I was having fun then. I was in college, and I wasn't doing my normal personal development. But I just flew through that time, and I don't remember those days. So again, it can help you slow things down and capture moments, anchor things. It can get you in touch with your feelings. When you're trying to manifest things into your life, what it can do is help you connect to that, help you with your emotional intelligence, your awareness, and really help you connect. And again, I think a good pen, something you like to write with, and a journal that gets you fired up about getting up in the morning or at night and writing your thoughts down is really the big difference in journaling. You'll start journaling and you'll start to get that feel for what you're doing and what's happening. And it's also great to look back and see really what was important, what wasn't, as you learn and you start to live your best life. It's really, really a great tool, and it's a great one. And again, I'm very happy with this. I bought this on Amazon. I will leave the link below. The leather seems really good. The paper just freaks me out. It reminds me of, for some of these, like the Evil Dead, like the Necronomicon, the Book of the Dead. This thing, it really is trippy with the lock. You open it up and man, look at these pages. Like it feels like, wow, it's just like linen, like really, I'm impressed. I'm excited about it. So I will keep you posted. If you've got any questions about journaling in general or questions about this type of journal and why I picked the leather, and it's something I can carry with me and write my thoughts down, I'd love to talk in the comments below. I try to hang out when I put the video up for a little while and discuss, but an unboxing today and a really cool one. This is a great journal. If you're looking for a handmade, like leather, linen, paper journal, I mean, this thing's pretty cool. I'm excited about getting into this thing and starting my journaling. As soon as I get it done editing this video, I'm gonna put my first entry in and I'm pumped for it. So as always, hey, if you like the content, hit a thumbs up. We're putting great energy into the world. More coming, I promise. I go through cycles with this stuff, but we're really focused on making YouTube part of what we're doing. And so I'm gonna be journaling the whole adventure in this, and I'll share this with you 6 months from now. Let's look back and see how this thing gets filled out and what are some of the great things that happen as I'm writing my story. And I think that's one thing that's cool about journaling is you're writing your story. Make it fun, make it adventurous, and live your life. All right, lots of love to you. Go out, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here in the next one.